Citizens. Back with me again, Haji Gautama Putrada. I am your lecturer for Parallel and Distributed Systems. This is our seventh meeting. We are discussing about indirect communication, and we have reached the fifth video. In this fifth video, we will discuss about message queue. So, this is our five styles of indirect communication. We have discussed about publish and subscribe here. And now we will discuss about message queue. This is a picture that describes message queue. Basically, message queue and publish subscribe are the same concept. Here only we have different names. The producer is actually the publisher, and the consumer is actually the subscriber. And we use these terms because we are using queue, which is, as you know, in operating systems used to describe the producer and consumer problem. So in a queue, the producer fills the queue and the consumer consumes or takes the content of a queue. And so here we have, for example, two producers. We have one producer and producer two, and each of them can fill any of the queues. The queues are differentiated by their topics, like we discussed in the previous video. So, for example, we have here three different topics. This is topic one, and we have topic two, and we have topic three. And each consumer can consume from any topic that they want, just regarding which topic that they want. And here we have three different processes, which is receive and poll and notify. What is the difference between receive and poll and notify? Receive here demands an answer, and a message must be in the queue for the receive to continue to work. So this is a blocking receive, as we have learned from the previous meeting. So if there are no topics yet in the queue, the receive will wait. So this will wait. And the difference between receive and poll, here the poll only checks if there is a message or not. If there are no messages, then the poll will continue with its process. So this is non-blocking. So the poll will not wait for an answer. And the last one is notify. In notify, the consumer sends a message to the queue notifying that if there is a message that they need, please send it back to them. So this is also non-blocking, and this creates an instance. It creates an instance that we can call a callback function. So when there is a message, the consumer creates a runs the callback function, and the callback function will process the message that comes. So these are the three methods that are provided by message queuing. So that is the end of the fifth video. In this video, we have successfully discussed about message queuing, which is basically the same as publish and subscribe, but here we can see that inside the broker, each topic has a different queue of message, which each message is first in and first out. in the next video, we will discuss more about message queue. Thank you for your attention. Meet you in the video.